again, it's Walter, the service manager at Infiniti, and today I would like to discuss how to jump-start a car if you ever get caught in a situation where you have a dead battery and you need to get the vehicle jump-started. A couple of precautions I'd like to go over. Let's say this is the car with a dead battery. On most Infiniti products, you're going to find that the battery is underneath a cover, usually on the passenger side. You push the clips in and lift the cover up, which will give you access to the battery. The positive battery terminal is usually protected so that nothing comes in contact with it and shorts it out. And usually if you lift that up, you'll be able to gain access to the battery terminals. Positive is always going to be your red terminal. Negative is always going to be the black wire, which sometimes may be difficult to see. There's also a minus sign on the battery, which would be your negative, and you probably can't see it on the positive side, but there's usually a plus sign somewhere by the positive side, which gives you another indication. I would recommend hooking up the jumper cables to the car that has a dead battery first. That way, if you ever short the terminals together or the cables together, since the battery's dead, it won't cause an issue. So you get the jumper cables. And what I'm going to do is hook the negative side up first, which is black. And again, black is going to go to black or your negative side. Red's going to go to red or your positive side. And you're going to clamp the jumper cable right to the battery terminal, the metal part of the battery terminal. We're not going to hook this up right now. We're just going to leave that there until we're ready with the other vehicle. And this will be the vehicle that has a good battery. And the best way to jump it is to have the vehicle running when you're going to jump it, because that way the alternator is actually generating power and charging the battery as you're doing it. It gives you a little extra boost when you start. Start the car. This car here, same thing. Same setup since it's the same car. Lift up our positive battery terminal. We get the other side of our jumper cables. We're going to hook the negative side up to the negative terminal. Again, the same way we did the other car. And as long as the battery terminals or the jumper terminals aren't touching anything metal in the car, you won't have any issues. So we're going to hook this to the positive side. And now at this point, both of these leads are energized. So if this touched this terminal here by mistake, would short out and could possibly cause some sparks. So at this point, we're going to hook this positive cable, again the red to red. And then if we've done everything right, this car technically should start. What you did, so we obviously did everything the right way. Just a bit of safety advice. Be extremely ensure that you have the battery terminals and the jumper cable terminals hooked up to the right terminals on the battery. If they are reversed for whatever reason, it could cause damage to the electronic components in the car. It could get very expensive to repair. So now that we have the car running, we're going to take the jumper cables off. And when we take them off again, they're going to be energized, so we don't want them to touch each other. So when we take them off, we want to make sure that they're not anywhere near each other, so that you don't have a shorting issue. Same thing on this vehicle here. Once they're disconnected, there's no more energy in the cable, so nothing else to worry about. We're going to put our terminal protector back down again. Our battery cover on. Same thing with this vehicle. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.